Gentlemen, welcome to My Intelligence. I have Kay and Larry here to talk about something interesting.
I was just telling Beardy that I really enjoyed watching Psych2Go's video about the 7 signs someone is secretly in love with you.
I enjoyed that video too, which is why I'm sure you guys will also love this video about the 10 signs someone is in love with you.
Since we want you to be fully aware if she loves you, it's also in your best interest to know the number 1 sign that someone doesn't like you. Let's start. Number 10, any excuse is a good excuse.
If a girl wants to see you, even for the most boring things like going to the supermarket or getting your watch fixed, she's a keeper.
Spending a lot of time together, even for the simplest reasons, can make any girl fall in love with you fast.
Take note of who's there for you in any kind of situation, even if it's not necessarily a fun activity.
Teresa DiDonato, a social psychologist and associate professor at Loyola University, Maryland, said in an article recently published on Psychology Today's website, it's important to seize chances to spend quality time together. You'll know that she's secretly in love with you if she joins you in any kind of activity, especially ones that you know she doesn't really enjoy.
So pay attention. See if she takes her chances and makes any kind of excuse to see you.
Once you do, you won't be wondering how to make any girl fall in love with you, because she probably already is. Number 9, remember me.
Does she remember the story you told her last week? The one about your sister and the outrageous engagement party she's having?
What about the one where you love putting salt in your hot chocolate because that's the way your grandmother makes it?
If someone remembers those specific little things, this is one of the obvious signs a girl likes you.
In an article published in Business Insider, Dr. Susana E. Flores, a clinical psychologist, stated that remembering the little things is one of the telltale signs that a person likes you.
When a girl is attentive and listens to your stories, you won't need to ask, does she love me? You'll know that she does.
Number 8, you'll be safe here.
If you're wondering about how to make a girl fall in love with you, ask yourself first if you're making her feel safe and secure.
Some of the clear signs that she likes you are the moments when she lets her guard down around you.
If she's not afraid to share her inner thoughts and her personal and private life, chances are she trusts you a lot.
So if you're clueless about her feelings, it will help if you ask yourself, does she like me enough that she feels safe with me? Number 7, happy that you're happy.
Are they in love with you? Pay attention to their reaction when you get promoted. Notice how she felt when you said you got the job you really wanted.
How she reacts reveals key information as to whether she's already fallen for you.
If you're wondering how to know if a girl likes you, see if she's keen to share your journey.
Take note if she either congratulates you or shows signs of envy when you announce a big move in your life.
If she celebrates your victories instead of bringing you down, it's obvious that she cares about you a lot.
Number 6, dress to impress.
This is probably the most basic tip on how to get your crush to like you.
If she wears cute clothes or clothes that mimic your style, it's an obvious sign that she wants to catch your attention.
Try it out sometimes. Pay her a compliment. Maybe you could say, I like it when you wear your hair in braids. If she wears braids the next time you see her, then it's positive. She likes you.
If you notice that a girl is going out of her way to dress extra nice whenever you're around, you should take it as a signal that she likes you.
She may even wear makeup. Whatever new thing is going on with her style, it would be easy to say that it's because she wants to put her best foot forward when she's with you.
We're moving on to the last part of our video, so make sure to stay tuned to find out the number 1 sign that she doesn't love you. We promise it'll be worth it. Number 5, welcome to the family.
When you're dating someone, you'll know it's real when they introduce you to the important people in their life, and it works both ways too.
If you're wondering how to get girls to chase you, letting her meet your family is a great first step.
In relationships, it's a telltale sign that it's serious when you meet each other's families.
Someone who's in love with you is bound to introduce you to family or best friends. They just can't help it because they want you to be in their intimate circle. If you also want to know some more tricks to get girls to chase you, check out this video. Number 4, the green-eyed monster is here.
If you want to know how to tell if a girl likes you, pay attention to how she reacts when you talk to her about other girls.
One of the signs someone likes you is if she gets envious when you talk to other girls.
If asking for love advice gets her annoyed, it's a clear sign that she's secretly in love with you.
Number 3, your opinions matter a lot. One of the signs that someone is in love with you is when they ask for your opinion about everything.
She values your input and she wants your badge of approval.
She wants your input simply because you're important to her.
So she asks you for your 2 cents, even if it's about the simplest things.
Then it's official. She's falling for you. Number 2, nothing but good things.
If she talks to you about other people, she would never talk about your flaws or things you fight about.
In fact, she'll talk endlessly about your good deeds to her friends.
If you do some of the habits women love, then she'll have more of a reason to show you up.
A woman who loves you won't share the negative things about you because she doesn't want anyone to look at you any differently.
She wants the important people in her life to see you the way she does. Do you want to know how to get her to love you even more? Check out the best daily habits for men for more tips.
Number 1, a future together. When she includes you in her future plans, it's no question. This is one of the most obvious signs that someone's in love with you.
Talking about the future can range from 2 weeks from now to 10 years from now.
planning vacations together are great indications that she's keen on sharing her dreams for the future with you.
If she talks about what kind of house she wants in the future, and she talks about the things in a way that you're still in the picture years later, then you no longer need to wonder how to get your crush to like you. It's a good chance that she already loves you a lot. We've given you all the signs that someone is in love with you. Now it's time to reveal the one thing that shows she's not actually in love with you.
Gentlemen, remember that a woman who loves you will never put anything else above you or your happiness and comfort.
She's not in love with you when you always feel like she values other things more than you.
When you're at that point that you're comparing yourself to her friends, her family, or any of her other priorities, then it's probably time to accept that she doesn't love you.
Now make sure that you give her the benefit of the doubt, especially when you know where she's coming from. But if you find yourself questioning your value more than celebrating it, then maybe it's time to reevaluate your choices. Can you share some more signs that someone is secretly in love with you? Comment down below. Now you know the signs that someone is in love with you.
You'll be able to know if the girl you're dating actually feels the same way you do. Gentlemen, pay attention to the signs. If she does most of these things, then there's a good chance that she's falling for you.
If none of these signs are present, you should check out this video, How to Make Any Girl Fall in Love with You. This has been Mantelligence. I'm Beardy, and for Kay and Larry, thanks for watching.